Customize question delivery to add structure to your quizzes and increase assessment integrity using the Quiz Builder. This tutorial shows how to create sections and question pools using Quiz Builder. To begin, from Quizzes, click the context menu of the quiz you want to edit, and select Edit. Navigate to Quiz Questions. Then, click Add Edit Questions. Here, you can increase the structure of your quiz and reduce cheating by creating sections. Sections allow you to group related questions and can be randomized. To create a section, click Add, and select Section. Enter a title. Additionally, you can add optional contextual information in section text. Hide section details using the corresponding Hide Section Title and Hide Section Text from students' checkboxes. To randomize question delivery within the section, click Shuffle Questions in this section. When you are ready, click Save. Add questions to your section by dragging and dropping them into place using the handles or using keyboard-only navigation. For this example, we will move a question using the arrow keys on the keyboard. Questions in sections appear indented to identify they have been added to the section successfully. Additionally, you can improve quiz integrity by creating question pools. Click Add, then select Question Pool. Question pools show each learner a different set of random questions from a larger pool of questions with each attempt. Give the question pool a title, then specify the number of questions to be displayed to learners and the points value that will be assigned to all of the questions in the pool. To add questions, click Browse Question Library. Select the questions to include, and click Add. When you are ready, click Save. Your question pool displays and indicates its position in the quiz. How many questions will be displayed out of how many questions available, and how many points each question is worth, for quick reference. Customize question delivery to add structure to your quizzes and increase assessment integrity using the Quiz Builder.